This video is about a new style Sichuan杂酱面.杂酱面is a kind of dish which serves noodles together with fried minced pork. Actually, 杂酱面 is not a Sichuan dish, but in this video I'm gonna make it with a little Sichuan twist. First, let's chop some ginger, which is very important when we are trying to cook with pork. Then let's chop and crush some peanuts. And then actually we would also need to chop some green onions and garlics as well, so it could be more flavory, but I forgot to film. Now let's fry the meat. First, we need a special Sichuan chili sauce. In Sichuan, every family will use this every day. You can find it in most of Asian supermarkets. And then keep stirring it. And now put the gingers in. Is brown, then it's done. After the meat is done, we boil some Chinese noodles. Normally 2 minutes is enough to boil Chinese noodles. And now we put noodles first, then everything else on top. And some coffee would also be nice.